No, I don't think that AI will ever replace human judgment. I think it's going to get very close. And I think it's more about humans learn how to leverage AI capabilities.
I still believe in the power of humans to make some of those strategic, fundamental decisions for businesses going forward. So I think AI will only strengthen those decisions.
Eventually, that will take place. What humans or leaders can do is really to embrace the technology and upskill to stay and remain relevant.
I always believe this, that people are irreplaceable. It's an inevitable fact. And AI should always be seen as a tool to help. It should never be seen as a tool to take over. Because the minute you start doing that, you basically have an organization where you may not be maximizing the perspectives and ideas and thoughts you have.